All right, I am back and ready for more fun. This means we need to use the formula that says sine of a plus b is equal to sine of a cosine of b plus, so basically the way I remember it is you need to take sine and then you switch and take cosine of that. And then you switch them and go also take sine of b and cosine of a. This one has minus, which means when this is minus, this is minus. So this is going to be the 90 degrees, and that's going to be the x. So sometimes instead of writing out the whole thing again, sometimes I'll just abbreviate it. The left side or the left-hand side is equal to, and then go to work using this formula right here. So it's going to be for this one, that's the one I'm working on right now, it's going to be sine of 90 degrees cosine of x plus sine of x cosine of 90 degrees. Now we need to add, so I don't have enough space to keep going this way. Then I need to add this one, which is going to be the same thing except with a minus in between. Sine of 90 degrees cosine of x, and then minus sine of x and cosine of 90 degrees. Now you notice that this one is positive and this one is negative, so they're actually going to cancel each other out. So all we have is this part. So really what I need to do is find out what is sine of 90 degrees, because these both have sine of 90 degrees, they both have cosine, they're being added together. So really I have two that are saying sine of 90 degrees cosine of x. And then what is sine of 90 degrees? Well, one way to do it is to use this little thing. Right now this is in radians, so that's something that you always need to be aware of. Is the calculator in degrees or radians? Now it's in degrees. And what's sine of 90 degrees? So it equals 1. Another way I could have done that is, if you look at the sine graph, it goes like this. And usually I use radians, but if I were to use degrees, this would be 360 degrees. In the middle would be half of that, which is 180 degrees. In the middle would be half of that, which would be 90 degrees. So sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1. So this is going to be a 2 times 1. And then it's about time I look up at the top and see what it is that was being asked for. What was being asked for is 2 times cosine of x, which means, ding ding, we're done.